Good day. I'd like to show you how to record bird sounds on your Android phone. First of all, go to Applications. In the Applications, you will see you can scroll through the different screens, and on one of your screens, depending on the model of your phone, on the level of your operating system, you will find a tab called Voice Recorder. If you click the voice recorder, it'll open a screen that looks like this. Then it is as easy as pressing the start button, recording the bird while it's singing. As you can see, it's recording my voice at the moment. And then when there's a lull in the action, you can either pause by pressing this button or stop the recording altogether by pressing this button. You will see your recording is then placed in a list, and then you can rename it by holding in the recording. I'll show that again. By holding in the recording, it gives you the option of sharing it via WhatsApp or via email, or renaming it. So then you can rename it by the bird that you're using. So you can call it whatever you like, Bluebird. And done. And then it asks you if you want to save it, and you say yes, and there's your Bluebird recording. You can then edit that in any audio editing software and upload it onto Zeno Canto or the Facebook group or SoundCloud. Thank you.